All right, how's it going? All right, so finally made it to the beach, right? Take a look at this. Nice. Right? Really don't want to drop with this in my hand, but finally made it to the beach. Not the brightest day. You know, it's a little cloudy on today. You know, sun isn't out, but the water it's not cold, but once you get in it, you warm up really, really nice. Sister-in-law is over there. Wifey is over there. She coming in with the water. You know. Let's go over. I'm not gonna wet you up. I'm just a record. Right? Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. So, we are in Jamaica. What beach are we at?
Silver Sands.
Silver Sands Beach in Trelawney. Just come from church. Rochelle, you alright? You see that?
She get fit. Like a cricket ball.
Right?
You're okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, Rashi.
Yeah, so we are out here with the family, you know. You having fun?
A little bit.
Because I'm having a lot of fun. I enjoy myself, man. I haven't been to the beach in a long time, in like 10 years. I love the salty water. I love it all in my face, all in my nostrils. You know, the air. Nobody's really out here like that. It's just we really, you know. And I like the beach. It's clean. And yeah, so like I said, just having a good time out here. You have anything you want to say? No. Okay, so let me give back the camera, and I'm gonna enjoy myself in this water. Yes.